Good evening, student. Today we will going to perform an experiment, and the aim of our experiment is to prove that the detergent contain a base and the lemon contain the acid. For this, we have two plastic glasses containing the normal water, which is distilled water, and in my left hand I have lemon. In the right hand I am having the detergent which is there. Now what I will do, I will simply mix this detergent in the first glass that is in my right side. So you can see I am adding detergent in it. Yes or no?
Yes.
So basically I have added detergent in this one, and what I will do now, I simply take this lemon and add this acid in the second one. So if you can see, single drops of acid is going into the first glass which is in my left hand side. So basically we have lemon kind of juice in the glass which is in left hand side, and we have a detergent in the right hand side. Now the aim is to prove that this is a base and this is an acid. To prove that, we have with us that is turmeric, which is a natural indicator, right? Which is either obtained from plants or animal. Now the purpose of this indicator is we will simply add in both solution, and we know that the base which is there will turn the color of this turmeric from yellow to red, and when we add the same turmeric in the acid solution, the color will not change. Now let's add it. So little bit of turmeric I'll add in the first solution which is containing the lemon juice, and then I'll add in the second solution, right? So I've added in both of them. Now I'll try to mix it. So for mixing we can use multiple things. So basically we use the pen, right? So if I do the pen in this one and properly mix it, so we can observe the color change. Now one by one you can come and see the color change. Tell me what is the color in here?
Yes.
Please show.
It's red.
It's red?
Yes.
Because if you compare with the color of the turmeric, it's completely different, suggesting that this glass which is in the right hand side has the base. Can you come and see? So everyone will come one by one and see. And we'll also mix this also, right? So if I mix this properly, you will observe there is no color change of the turmeric in the glass which is kept in the left hand side. The color is yellow itself. And here is the Messi with us. So one by one you can come and see. That's also will get the chance to see, don't worry. So what is the color of it? Red. Why? It is having the base, because detergent has bases in it. And we know we have this lemon which contains an acid, and acid does not change the color of the turmeric, which is a natural indicator. Please come and see. You can see more closely also the issue. Right? Adam and Zoe is also invited to come here. See what the red color? Because of base. This is same color. The conclusion is turmeric, which is a natural indicator, turns its color from yellow to red when put in base, and it remains with the same color, that is yellow, when it is kept in the acid. So with this experiment we can show that how we can differentiate the acid with the base. Thank you everyone.